Happy Sunday. We are back at it again with another Sunday night market breakdown on gold futures. So appreciate you guys popping on. Definitely show some love in the chat. So I just want to share some things with you guys, just some updates. So last week I ended up again blowing my, if you guys follow me on IG on Nikki_Pips, definitely follow me there. Follow all my trades as well. But I say that to say, last week I ended up blowing my 50K account. So of course that is dead and gone. So we are nice and fresh again. So I refreshed my 50K account, and we're also doing a $100 small account as well, private account. So I already jumped into a sell position earlier when market opened, profited $730 on the prop with Top Step. So with my 50K account and on the $100 account, made $8. So nothing too crazy on there, but again, $8 from $100 is it's not bad. So I want to show you guys. Let me make sure I'm good on my end here. Excuse me. All right. All right, guys. So, yeah, just want to share with you guys. So it's crazy looking at gold right now. It's actually going right back up where it started. So I'll actually share with you guys. So check it out. So if you guys see here, I actually took this trade right when market opened. So of course, right when it opened, it literally pushed all the way up here and it literally dropped. So, because originally it was right here. So it did go up a little bit. And then of course we had some dojis here, came up and then dropped. So I caught all this right here. So I was like pretty much like almost a 1 to 3 risk to reward here. So, and then if we see now, it's actually pushing right back up to my entry point. So, just for me personally, I see a lot of sells happening this week just because it is at an all-time high, and just from where the kind of routine has been, that's exactly what it does. It reaches an all-time high and then it literally drops. So it literally crashes. So I mean, if we look back here, we had an all-time high here and then it crashed. It came up and then it crashed again. So over here we pushed all the way up. We pushed all the way up over here and then we had a crash down. Came back up to this resistance area, boom, right back to support. Came back up. Boom, blew through support. So it came all the way back down here. So that's just kind of what I'm seeing for gold this week. Who knows, we could continue to push past into new higher highs. We'll see. But let's go through news first. You know, we always go through news first. So let's see what news we have this week. All right, there we go. So let's see, Monday. Monday, we don't have anything. Tuesday, Tuesday USD, no, nothing really. Wednesday, We have FOMC meeting minutes, so it's 2 p.m., so it's 11 o'clock specific time. But of course, you know, I'm not going to trade that late. I take my entries if there is any right when market opens, or like maybe 10-15 minutes after market opens. Thursday we have unemployment claims again, flash services, so there will be some movement here for sure. So even at 9:45 we'll see some movement there. So Thursday's kind of one to keep an eye on. And then Friday we have Fed Chair Powell speaks. So this is gonna be at 7 in the morning. So this is 10 Eastern. So this is definitely gonna move for sure. So because anytime Powell speaks, it usually spikes. So I would either not trade at all on Friday, or just be very careful. Make sure you have a buy limit, a sell limit, you know, what have you. So before you do that. So not too much going on. Biggest things to look at is Thursday and Friday, to be honest, for this week. So, all right, let's get into gold. All right, so, you know, as you guys know, we always start on the higher time frame. All right, here we go. So we see here, we're gonna clear everything. So all brand new, new week. So where's the trend going? So right now, we're still in an uptrend as a whole. So the trend is still bullish. So even if I went here. So again, the only way that we're gonna have a change of structure is if it literally breaks this trend line here. So it would literally have to break this trend line for it to be a break of structure, or even here. So right here. So it would literally have to come down here, pull back up a little bit, and literally come back down here and target this low, this low, this low, things like that, for us to have a break of structure. So, but as of right now, the market's going to be bullish. So we're going to put that for our top-down analysis. So weekly is bullish. All right, now we're gonna go down to the daily. So the daily here. So of course, if we see here right now, the daily is bullish also. So, because if you actually see here, of course, the candle came all the way above here, above this previous candle, above this previous candle. So we're actually bullish. So pretty simple there. So daily, bullish. All right. So here also, this is where we're going to do our top-down or our support and resistance. So here, we're going to actually mark our support and resistance, our key levels. Okay, so key levels, obviously, for any of you guys that are on here new, it's always going to be the areas where price touched multiple times. So we'll take our horizontal ray. Of course, one will be right here. Another one will be right here. And then, of course, our resistance level is going to be right here. So, as you see here, we have a range right now. So it's been in this range. So actually I want to see, I mean, I like this, but I like this. I like this better, actually. So more like right here. Okay. So again, we could be creating a new range here if it actually blows through this resistance level. Because it could very well pull back and come all the way back down here. So just like it did here, it came up here, barely tapped here, pulled all the way back down. Came up here, pulled all the way back down. Pulled up here, pulled all the way back down. So that's why, just patterns. I honestly see this this week being a lot of sells. So, but we will see. So, of course, here. So daily is bullish. All right. So we're gonna do our key levels. So of course, this is gonna be major resistance. So I'm put daily at say 25.50. Yeah, that looks good. 25.50. All right, and then we have our support level here. Daily major supports at 24.20. Actually like that. 24.20. Perfect. Alright, so we have our daily major support. And then of course we have another support level here. All right, so that's at 23.55. So we'll do a 23.50. All right, so there we have it. So 25.50, 24.20, 23.50. So these are gonna be our our key levels right here. So now we're gonna go down on the 4 hour and kind of see what it's looking like. So same thing here. Where's my little top down? All right, so even right here, again, we see that where it is right now, it's above all the other previous candles. So again, like we're looking bullish across the board. But this could change. So, but again, typically when we have the top-down analysis here, when two of the higher time frames are the same, a lot of times it gives you a pretty good confluence that it's going to continue in that direction. Because again, we're following the trend. So, who knows, we could see 25.80 this week, possibly 2600. We just have to see if it's going to respect this major resistance right here. So again, you see it even clearer on the 4 hour where you have this zone right here. So if I were to zoom out a little bit more, you can see it's been in this zone for quite a while. It's pretty much, for the most part, other than right here, it's respected that support level. So So, because it didn't have enough to push down. So it's been in this range since July. So it's been going up, down, up, down. So we have to see if it's going to respect this resistance level here. So, because we have a nice bullish candle right here, but of course we did have a rejection right here. So, because we could see a little pull up right here and then a pull right back down. So it could possibly touch here. Oh, sorry, let me get my actual trend line. There we go. So here, and then it could actually touch here as well. So, because again, if I pull this over, it's tapped into this area before. Same thing here. Look how that lines up. Pretty nice, actually. So it always touches that previous level. So price always tends to come back to the area it's tapped into multiple times before. So that's just my prediction where I think my analysis where it's gonna go. So even on the 1 hour here, you guys can see we're having some rejection. So of course we had even this doji right here. This doji usually identifies a reversal, so, or a rejection. So of course, see if we see here right after this doji, we had a push up and then a rejection, push down, slight push up again, and then push down again, and then we came up, and then we closed right above here, pushed up right above it, and then we are kind of pushing our way down right now. So mind you, we still have 36 minutes on the 1 hour for this candle to close. So, but I have a firm belief that it may close underneath this previous candle right here, this bullish candle. So that's what I'm going to be looking at. So I'm going to actually keep these lines here because I want to see if it's actually going to tap into that. So like tomorrow, I have a good feeling it's going to tap into that, if not surpass it. Or it's going to tap into it, it's going to hit that support level and then bounce off of it and go back up. And then possibly go back down again. So, but on the 4 hour here, we can also go right here, because even these levels right here, so even though I put these two red lines here, these actually would be our minor. So minor, actually, let's see. This would be our minor support. And then of course, right here would actually be our resistance. So, because it's above. So, but I'm gonna leave it just like that. But that's what I'm looking for this week. So yeah, guys, gold, I definitely think it's gonna push down. It may look like it's gonna make some higher highs, or it's gonna challenge that overall high, so, or all-time high rather. So, but I think it's gonna reject it and it's gonna push down before we do go back up. So, but again, I appreciate you guys popping on as always for a Sunday night market breakdown on gold. Again, follow me on my IG, Nikki_Pips. So you guys can follow me with every trade that I do. I post everything on my story, on my page. You guys can see every trade that I do, good, bad. I'm very transparent. If I lose, if I blow an account, you know, I'm fully transparent. I don't show fake numbers or anything like that. So, you know, I'm probably one of the realest traders you'll see on here. You know, I have no reason to to lie about this. I'm not even really fully profitable yet, but I know that I will be. So I'm just basically building that skill set continuously to where I end up. The goal is to get my first payout. I've gotten a payout once before, but the goal is to get continuous payouts to where it actually becomes life changing. So with that said, if you guys are interested in wanting to learn how to trade Forex, futures, anything like that, definitely comment down below. I can definitely reach out to you. I want to eventually get a group together, because even where I live here in Vegas, I have quite a few people that actually want to learn how to trade. So make an extra stream of income, things like that. So if you guys are wanting something more, if you guys are wanting to learn another skill set, again, comment down below, let me know, and I'll reach out to you guys. But again, appreciate you guys. If you guys could do me a favor, I want to continue to grow this channel as well. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I would truly appreciate it. I hope you guys have a great trading week, and we'll see you next Sunday for our Sunday night market breakdown. All right, peace.